Once again, our fourth game, Team Dynamos versus Team Netstorm.
Wait lang. Meron na sa iba mong ka-team. Lincoln! Lincoln! Next game kayo, talakad ka, Ken. Ball retriever, lago mo. Oo, pabalik na.
Tignan mo, te. Di mo sa... Ano yan?
Bakala, next game ka na. Next game. Naburi ko yan.
Alright. Settle down, settle down, settle down.
Oh, bakala, mag-line judge na kayo pong ball retriever. Masermon ka.
Alright, our first on the service line. Jersey. Outside.
Dart, ala.
Black Bile Birdo. Serving again. Received by Matuang Balugulista. Pass by Kuya. Mercado set to open to Zach Baez. It's some point from Baez. Serving again, Solitario. So open. Zayao. Our official score 3-1. This is by Solitario. Set by Mercado to Baez. Isang napakagandang diskarte para kay Baez. Baez. Syntax error. Still on the service line, jersey number Mercado. Ingalang po yun.
Dart, kabot niya. Medyo mo ka, te. Kitang kita pa. Kababa mo eh.
Si Jayo.
Tete.
Uh-oh. Serving again, jersey number 1. Official score 6-3 in favor of Dynamos. Koy with a long drop. Mercado to Baez again. Dayao.
Nice one. Nice kill, Dayaw. I love you too.
Now serving jersey number 1, Davao. Dayao. 11. So Ateng. Mercado with the back set to Salangsang. Ebadayo to 4, Sumobra.
Nice
What a beautiful
one.
point by Dayao.
I love you too.
Out S. Now serving Baez. Received by Diao, set. Give it to number 7, Delenya. Received by Matuang Balabilista, set by Gadi, back set to Kuy. Wow!
Nice one, Consi.
Beautiful connection by Barangay Juliana. Receive device. Si Denny Carl sa open. To Solitario.
Chulati, Thunderstanders. Ulo-dulo by Chulati.
What a lucky point from Solitario. Serving. Salansa. Received by Matuang Balibulista. Served by Gadi with a jazz up. Delema. Otene ba katamad ng ma'am? Otene ba gayong Delapenya? Delenya, putoy. Olong. Solitario. Gary, give to Delenya. Oh, vicious score. 10-8 in favor pa rin ng Team Dynamos. Received by Carlang Masalikaka. Mercado. Oh!
Ay, wala
Loko.
hit. Ang sharp nun. Ang tulis nun.
Now serving Sanchez. Serving Delenya. Received by Carla. Mercado.
Okay lang, love. Bawi ka lang.
It's okay, baby boy. Kaya kahit ang maka-orange siya ako yung makabaylo. Diyan mo metong Alberto. Alberto.
Ikaw, Dayaw. Dito.
Mercado, back to Solitario. Kuy was there. Zayaw, papabaybays with a drop off. Give it to Dayo again. The ball save from the barrel buys. Dayo again.
Nice one, mahal. Deadlock po tayo, all 11.
Back-to-back drop. Dalawang pumalo. Give it to Dayo again. Mercado with it just
Over naman.
Yes naman.
Matuang Balibulista. Dayo.
Oh my God, bawi po tayo, mahal.
Bumawi ka sa akin mamaya. At tinaray kayo. Kasi kinain mo yun. Alis fair na kayo. Serving. Solitario. Received by Matuang Balibulista. Save by Salangsang. Alberto with the drop, but no. Back set. Yeah.
Mete Shulati. Roll the ball po.
Serving. Ang maka-Diyos na tao. Gadi. Ricardo, Tobias. Save by Dayo. Delenya. It's an outside.
Sayang naman.
Oh, vicious score. 13-12. Isa na lang. Team Dynamos. Dayaw.
Daddy, wag ganon. Nandun si Coach. Okay, Coach, transform na. Coach, bike na.
Wow!
Ang baba ng
Sige yung
set.
depensa. Bildak na yung Bruno. Ineses din. Igay Bruno inana. What a jazz of Gary to Dayaw. Will save the ball again.
Grabe naman yung defense. Shulate. Score po is 13-15 in favor of Dynamos.
Asbay sa langsa. With a handset of Delenya. Free ball, Alberto. Alberto ang lalaking bato. What a lucky serve from Alberto. Baragol po.
Uy.
Boto. Kasi ba yung batong baliblis na?
Okay, nice game po.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Araneta. Okay?